Okay, since we're talking about managing processes in this particular block of videos, let's talk about running background tasks or scheduled tasks. Now, in Linux, we do that with something called cron, and we can create a cron tab or a chronology table that's going to manage scheduled tasks for us. So we'll manage this using the cron tab command. So we're going to type nothing until we get into the right screen. We're going to type crontab. And to view my current jobs, it's going to be crontab-L. And that's going to show me my current jobs for this particular user. Now, I haven't created one yet, so I get no crontab for David. Now, if I wanted to create one, I can do crontab. There we go, -E. And this is going to edit my crontab file. And this is going to say, all right, we got no cron tab, so we're going to create or we're going to use an empty one. And then which editor do we want to use? Bin, Vim Basic, Vim Tiny, or Ed. So it says the bin nano is going to be the easiest one, and it's also the default. So we can hit 1 and enter, or just enter if we want to use nano, or if we wanted to use something else, we would go ahead and hit that number and then hit enter. Okay, here is our cron tab. And this gives us some really nice documentation. Remember, anything with a hashtag is typically a comment. And then it will give you a bunch of documentation. So you can define the time based on minute, hour, day of the month, day of the week, or use an asterisk for any. Notice tests will be started on the Damon's notion of time and time zones. So, okay. And then it gives you an example. So I am going to scroll down here and I'm going to create a new cron tab. Now, the first thing I have, the first option is M, and that's going to be the minute or which minute of the hour. So here, let me start by saying what I want to do. I want to have this thing automatically check for updates at 1 a.m. every Monday morning. Okay. So I want it at 1 a.m. So it's going to be on the 0 minute of the hour number 1. And this is going to be in 24-hour time. So if I wanted it at 11 p.m., I do 23. Now, the day of the month, I don't care. I want it every Monday, so I don't care which day of the month it is, so I'm going to hit asterisk. The month, I wanted to do it on every month. So again, I'm going to hit asterisk. I don't care what month it is. You see real quick how this can get pretty funky. I can say do this, at 1:53 on every Monday that falls on the 13th. Of the second month, whatever. So minute, hour, day, month, day of the week, and I want to do this on every Monday. So my day of the week is going to be numbered 0 through 6, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Monday is going to be in number 1, so it's going to be my day of the week. And then I'm going to put in the command that I want. And so I'm going to do /user. I'm going to put the full path in, user bin apt update. And that's going to run my apt update at 1 o'clock every Monday morning. Now, when I'm happy with it, Control O to write out, and then Control X to exit. Now, if I want to display this, I can do crontab, let me spell it correctly, crontab -L, and that's going to display my file for me. And I can just add more and more commands there if I want. I can edit those commands over time if I want. We can use this to automatically run processes at specific times, like a backup or an update or a report that could be generated or a particular shell script, whatever. There's lots of different ways we can use this. Just bear in mind that we are using it to schedule particular processes to run at specific times. And it's all managed through our crontab service. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how you can schedule tasks to run automatically on your Linux system.